Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. I wanted to show you a little trick that will allow you to change the instrument playback on these generated websites even if the developer of the website has specified a particular sound. So for example, when I made this King Street Sessions tune book, I decided that I was going to use a piano sound for the melody, bass, and chords. So if I pick a tune, for example, we'll take a reel here, and I will take just the first one here. And if I play it, you'll hear we get a piano sound. And that's actually specified when I built the website. So I want to show you a little trick here for how you can change that to another sound and then have it use that for playback of the tune book. And this will actually change the settings for the tool. So if you use the tool for creating your own tune books and that sort of thing, you should be aware of that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change the tablature here to mandolin. But now if I play it, I'm still going to get the piano sound. So what you're going to want to do is you want to click on this settings, and you'll see you get this player instrument settings. And I'm going to change the melody here from acoustic grand piano. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the end where I have some custom instruments. I'm going to change it to mandolin. And I'm going to click this box here. This is very important. It says to override all MIDI programs and volumes in the ABC with the defaults when playing tunes. What that means is it's going to use the settings that are in the values here instead of the ones that were baked into the tune book when it was generated. So this is a way of overriding the defaults. I'm going to set those to 50 just because the piano backup can be a little bit loud. And I'm going to leave everything else alone, and I'm going to click OK. Okay. Now when I play the tune, it's going to be mandolin. Let's do the same thing for the whistle tablature. So I'm going to change it to tin whistle, and I'm going to go into settings. And I'm going to change the default MIDI program for the melody to the tin whistle. Here we go, whistle. I'm going to leave everything else alone. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and turn up the volume of the backup because the whistle's a little bit louder. And I'm going to click OK. And now when it plays, we'll get the tin whistle sound. And this will stick. We can bring up another tune, for example, let's say The Boys of Balsadere, and play it. Let's bring up a different one, different kind. Let's say we'll go into jigs, and we'll pick, let's say, Comics Men's Rambles. Do one more. We'll go ahead and change this to guitar, and I'm going to pick a different tune here. Let's say Burnt Old Man. We'll play it. So we're still at whistle. I'm going to change it to guitar. So we're going to change this develop melody program here from whistle to, let's say, steel guitar, and also say, yeah, we'll leave everything else alone, and we'll play it. Let's go ahead and bring up a different tune here. Let's say Banished Misfortune. Again, we're looking at standard guitar tablature, and we've overridden the default sound so that it'll be an acoustic guitar. And then if you want to go back to allowing the default for any of the tune books, so you don't want to do an override anymore, you just go back into settings and you uncheck this box, override all MIDI programs and volumes. That will return it back to the default. And now let's say, for example, we just go to standard notation, this should be a piano. So there you go. So I hope you enjoy using these new tune book websites, and it's really easy to create your own.